We just met Ariel, and she's my favorite princess. I'm very excited.
Mine too. Just kidding.
Last time I was here, I never got to meet her, and I was really, really disappointed. So I'm really excited that I got to meet her, and she's so pretty.
Yeah.
And
not as pretty as Laine.
And then she asked Rob if he played any instruments like the snarflat, and it just went right over his head.
I said I'd try.
He doesn't know what a snarflat is.
No, she doesn't know that.
She had no idea that he was no good. He's like, yeah, I'll try it.
Yeah.
And now we're going to Storybook Circus into the souvenir tent to look at some Disney pins.
Got my racing shades on.
I think it was him.
Yeah.
But if you think it's me, I'm flattered.
I'd be calling BS.
We are currently at dinner at Be Our Guest in the ballroom. And the napkins look like roses. And then we have a beautiful candle in front of us. What is that? Oh, that's sour. And we got fresh rolls. How awesome was your meal?
Really good.
Would you suggest this place?
Yep.
Worth the money?
Yeah, I'm gonna go see if
And Beast is in that room. You get to meet him at dinner. What did you get, Robert?
the chocolate one.
And what did I get?
The gray stuff.
I got the gray stuff.
Perfect.
It's delicious.
Nice.
Awesome, guys, right here. Did we just meet?
Ariel? Who else?
We met Ariel, Tiana, Rapunzel, and Elena of Avalor,
Yeah.
who I've just heard of, but she was very pleasant.
They're all very nice.
She was awesome. They're very in character,
Yep.
obviously because they are princesses.
Yep.
And yeah, it was a great experience. And we met them all in 20 minutes, not even, maybe 15. Usually the lines for it are like an hour-ish. And we met 4 princesses in like 15 or 20 minutes. So,
It's pretty good, eh?
which is pretty awesome. We got quite a few. So I met Ariel twice today in human and mermaid form, which was great for me.
I like her
She's my
better in
favorite.
mermaid form.
Because he's a creep. That's why. And now we're just off to the Emporium looking for a set of bowls
Yeah.
so we can eat our cereal. And then we're heading back to the resort
Yep.
and probably just crashing for the night.
Netflix and chill.
Netflix. We're gonna watch Shameless probably.
Yeah, it's a good show.
So we just got back from Magic Kingdom and we are just prepping for the hurricane. So Rob just went downstairs to get a bunch of water. We're filling up both of our water bottles, another water bottle that we had, and my refillable mug with water. And then we also bought lunch packages, which is actually a pretty good deal. They were selling lunches for $6 in case we are confined to our room. We could be confined to our room for 48 hours depending on how bad it is and depending on how safe it is to go outside. So we're going to show you what we got in the lunch pack. So in the bag, it just comes in a bag like this. I think that's just an Italian sub. You get a large bottle of water, an apple, a bag of chips, a cookie, and a protein bar, and some sauces for your sandwich. So all of this for $6 is actually a really good deal, and I like that it's a liter of water. So we got 2 of those. We got the Italian club and then the turkey club, so that will do us over for the next 2 days. If we can't leave our room, we do have leftovers from last night, our pizza, and then we have leftovers from supper. So that's the stuff that we have now. I'm gonna buy a couple of movies off iTunes and download them now while I have the chance in case the power goes out, so that we have something to do if the power goes out. I'll have my laptop charged and then we can watch a movie if we don't have Wi-Fi connection. Such a first world problem. I do have books as well, so we will find something to do if we have nothing. So yeah, that is basically what's up at the moment, and we will keep updating in our next vlog, which will probably be just hurricane footage and what we've done for that time. So we will see you later. Bye.
Okay, so there's supposed to be a hurricane tomorrow and the next day. We might be locked in our room for 48 hours. So to prepare ourselves, we got a bunch of food in our room. And this is all the water that I got, because we don't want to be thirsty or hungry. They gave us a flashlight. Not gonna lie, a little nervous. I'm just a little happy because we're not on the very bottom level. We're on the middle level, so that helps. And hopefully we're okay, you know? Kind of feel like the Titanic right now. So, but yeah, we're just trying our best and trying to be prepared, right? Yeah.
So I got some mystery pin packs while we were in the parks today to have some extra traders. So I got I'm gonna save these ones for last because they're extra. I'm opening the hidden Mickey mystery pouch first. It has 2 pins in it.
How much was it?
$12.99.
So $6.50 a pin.
Which isn't too bad. So, the first one, I got.
Dun, 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 dun.
Oh, I got. Oh crap. I can't remember the 7 Dwarfs one. I will put his name down below.
Oh yeah, you like that one?
Yeah. I don't know if I'll keep it, but... Oh yeah, I got Pascal!
Oh yeah.
I'm definitely gonna keep him.
Yeah.
Because I love the pencil. So...
We could always trade the other ones, eh?
Yeah. I can't even remember this one. But I'll probably trade this one because I don't have a Snow White collection. The second one I got is the Series 7. And they have all these cute characters that you can get. I'd be happy with any of them. Of course, I want Sully or Mike for sure. But I'd be happy with any of them. Here, open this bag. And that is... It's Eeyore.
Oh yeah, he's kind of cute, eh?
He's pretty cute. I might keep him. I'm not sure if I'm going to keep him. We'll see. And then I got 3 of the Series 8. And they're all of the Monsters Inc. doors. I already have 1. So hopefully I won't get any duplicates. So I got the Goofy door.
Nice.
I don't have this one yet, so that's in the bonus collection. Second one. I got the mini door.
Oh yeah.
I don't have that one either.
Nice.
And then the third one. I got the Goofy door again, so I will trade this one.
Yeah.
Since
Yeah, you don't need 2.
So I have a couple of traders for sure. I have 2 traders for sure, and then I have some more that I brought, but I'll bring these to the parks when we go on Tuesday, and we can have some new pins.
It'll be fun, eh?
Yeah, I'm excited for it.
Nice. I'm excited because you're excited.
Well, thank you.
You're welcome.